The state of AI, strategic tension in leadership, and the future of it all in Gibraltar are just some of the conversations that featured on the lineup at the ROC's first Artificial Intelligence Conference.
I think this event has actually brought together so many different industries, but there are already AI companies in Gibraltar that are doing tremendous work and working with local businesses. One of the event sponsors, Gib Telecom, have got a lot of AI solutions for local businesses, but it's having that platform to sort of share it. I think we've got to take a slow approach. We don't want to rush in and say we're the epicenter for AI. I think that's a nice ambition, but we need more talent to come to Gibraltar to be able to fulfill that. This is about how do we utilize existing talent, local companies to enhance other companies that work here to be more competitive. And I think that already exists.
We built our entire integrated, we call it the Zappix platform with Google and all the agentic integration. So for us, it's efficiency, it's about productivity, and it's around using exciting new technology, but in the right controlled manner. And that's one of the critical points of what we've heard about today. Everyone today, no matter your age or background or job, you're now part of Gen T, the transitional generation. You need to adapt, you need to learn, you need to develop. And to do that, you need to have the right people that understand the technology and understand behaviorally the way to learn and adapt. So we've gone from a system of memory-based learn, memorize and output to critical thinking. How do you challenge AI? How do you really innovate in structured environments? And how do you really learn to take advantage of new and emerging technologies?
Yeah, well, I can only speak locally. I know that the UK motor and insurance industry has been using AI for a very long time and is very developed in that space. I represent the local, domestically focused insurance industry. And we are probably at the very early stages of AI implementation. Certainly today is operating as a catalyst for us to really accelerate some of our developments and be perhaps a little bit braver in just cracking on with it.
What could be quite important is to have a sensible level of regulation and make sure that we know what good and responsible AI looks like and apply that in each of the industry sectors that are going to be using AI, and maybe make Gibraltar a place where if a company is seen to be here and using AI, an AI-focused or an AI-driven business, that they gain reputation by being in Gibraltar's favourable regulatory space. I think this is what we've always done in Gibraltar in different industries. For example, when the gaming industry came here, when the insurance industry really got going here, we've made ourselves almost a centre of excellence with proper blue chip regulation. Blue chip was always the phrase that was used. And I don't see why we should do anything different in the AI space.
The questions around AI are plenty, but the message from the conference is clear. Gibraltar is trying to position itself as part of that discussion.